Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number E2528P. 17,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report, velvet red in color. To be certified pre-owned, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5, leather interior. Outboard rear seats are also heated. Seats recline as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. It's a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera, and rear parking sensors, all helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, dual zone automatic temperature control with heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And that is, of course, with the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And 4-wheel drive. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Space. Timing mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener. Power liftgate, moonroof, and power sunshade controls. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6-liter V6, 295 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified pre-owned warranty, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.